Hi, and welcome back to the Ultimate Road Trips Timeline Adventure. I'm Professor Deb Becker. On this stop, we're going to do a timeline of life events together. But first, a little bit about me. When I was a child, I wanted to be smart and funny like the humor columnist Irma Bombeck. Secretly, I wanted her to be my mom. Although I wouldn't share this wish with anyone, it was there in my heart. Now that I've done this timeline exercise, I can see how my dream guided me and drew opportunities to me. I've seen forks in the road, intersections, times when I had to make a choice: love or adventure, working mom or stay at home mom, college or continue working at the same job, move on after cancer or stay stuck, master's degree in writing or continue writing at the same level. Serendipity. When I look closer at my timeline, I see how at each intersection God gave me a mentor. These luminaries believed in my dreams when I couldn't. My writing dream is a constant presence from its just a wish infancy to finding the courage to pursue it, believing in myself enough to say it out loud when I applied to workshops and writing residencies, to have to own it to make it through graduate school. Most important, make or break dream days were right here at Lone Star College. I was a student. My professor was Katie Olson, and I was taking her English 1302 class. We'd been assigned a short story by Alberto Alvaro Rios called The Secret Lion. Although I read it for homework, I felt completely lost. I didn't understand the story. I didn't understand the meaning of the lion. There was a lion metaphor in there somewhere. What's a metaphor? My anxiety in that class the next day was so high, I felt like I was falling from my chair. My chorus of fears said, "You're not smart enough to be here. Your classmates will know you don't belong." My fear grew so loud I couldn't hear the professor explain the story. I was 38 years old, a mother of two, an Air Force veteran, and I wanted to quit my first semester of college. But before I quit, I wanted to know that convoluted story. What did it mean? So I met with my professor, and she explained it to me. And I explained to her how I felt in her class. I felt so lost and so uncertain and not sure and not good enough for an education. I am the first person in my family to go to college. College is more challenging for us first timers, but we can do it. We must do it. Professor Olson is still one of my mentors. Mentors hold your dreams up when you lose faith, when you can't believe in the dream yourself. Thank God I had them, those mentors who believed everything was possible for me, even when I didn't. I'd come to LSC Tomball to get an Associates of Art degree, but when I was here, my dreams got bigger. Bachelor's degree in English, professional writer, grad school? Probably. I saw the writer in me through my work here, in my essays and my papers. I became that writer officially in 2008 and wrote for a women's magazine for 12 years. I have two books in the making, a collection of essays and a memoir. And I'm teaching. Our students here at LSC are the sugar in the icing on my cake. My dreams are fulfilled, and I have more dreams to go. Now, on to the timeline.